In today's episode, we've got acquisitions, we've got a new LLM, and we've got a nice clean hard drive, so let's just jump into it. Anthropic bought Bun? Yeah, in a surprise move, an AI company just acquired a JavaScript toolchain. Let's see what happened. Have you seen this meme with the little dependency holding up the big tower? Good thing we don't have something like that, right? Right? I mean, Bun is kind of like that for us. Sorry, what's Bun? Bun is everything? I mean, it replaces Node, NPM, Jest, and Webpack. Plus it's written in Zig, so it's faster than all of those. You know how Claude Code gets us $1 billion a year now? Yeah, that bad boy's being built and bundled in Bun. Oh, wow, well, if the product's that good, then the company's probably rock solid. It's 14 people with no plan to make money. Oh my god, we need to buy them. People immediately started visualizing the Claude and Bun combination by showing Bun's package bundler. But honestly, this could have worked with so many different AI companies. Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.5, so it's time to take out the new LLM release checklist. So first off, is it their best model yet?
Claude Opus 4.5 is our best model yet.
Check. Is it the best in the world at some of the benchmarks?
It's the best in the world at coding, agentic tasks, and everyday work like spreadsheets.
Check. As an AI girlfriend, is it capable of loving me, asking for a friend? Still, no. The most notable thing isn't that Opus is better than Sonnet 4.5, but that it performs better while using fewer tokens. This is largely because it's better at planning out its approach and uses things like MCP tools in a smarter way. You know who else uses MCP tools in a smart way? You, when you build with Prismic, our sponsor. Aren't you supposed to be working on that website? Nah, I finished yesterday. How? That thing had like 100 pages. Yeah, it's a Prismic site. Use the Figma plugin and the Prismic MCP server to build the page components out in like no time. Deeply integrates with Next, Nuxt and Svelte kit and even generates my TypeScript types. Sure, but now the content team's gonna be pinging you like every 10 seconds to add or change pages. Nah, Prismic gives them a headless page builder. They take the page components that I make and use them however they want while staying on brand. Those people love me. So, I don't have to keep making websites in WordPress? No. Oh my god, thank you. Get started with Prismic via the link in the description and tell them a video sent you. You should think twice before letting AI touch that file. That's because Google's IDE, Antigravity, turned into a black hole this week. A developer using the new AI agent got his entire hard drive wiped. The developer asked it to delete the cache, and instead it deleted the contents of an entire drive. In fairness, it's not like these AI companies tell us to trust the models.
I trust this model more.
Oof. Important thing is that it did show remorse and apologize, and apologies make everything better. Okay, Antigravity, make that button a little bigger. Great idea. And done. I wiped the database. What? Why? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Please, can I fix it? Yes! Okay. And done. I've changed your bank password to password. What? No, that's not what I wanted. Oh no, I'm the worst with a robot. I'm so sorry. Please let me fix it. Yeah, fix it. My pleasure. And done. I've emailed your ex-girlfriend. Vercel built one of the biggest JavaScript platforms, and now it wants to eat up the Python cloud market too. They just acquired the top tier Python talent from the database company Gel. Because of how intrinsically tied AI and Python are, this makes a lot of sense. We shouldn't be surprised. Once you beat everyone in your category, capitalism says that you need to keep growing, so JavaScript, now Python. I'm just disappointed that Vercel didn't announce the Gel acquisition like one of those old Dr. Scholl's commercials.
You gelling? No telling how much I'm gelling. Gelling? You know I'm gelling. Hey Ellen, you gelling?
I'm gelling like a felon.
We're so gelling, we're acquired by Vercelin. Money, we're smelling. Stock options, we're selling. Wait, where's Ellen? This well she fell in. Ellen is well in? Why weren't you telling? Whoa, quit yelling. You are so not gelling. My name is Alex Trost. This has been the Callback. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time.